Hello students, today we are going to learn about the fourth lesson, Geometrical Construction Standard 9th. Here we are going to construct the triangles, the special type of triangles, two sides and the base of a triangle is given. So exercise 4.1, first one, we'll draw here rough figure first, P, Q, R, where PQ is 4.2, then angle PQR is 40 degree, and you are given that PQ plus PR is equals to 8.5. So you are given the sum of two sides of a triangle is equals to 8.5. So we'll extend this PQ. Take a point T on this extended part of QP, ray QP there, such that PT equals to PR and join TR. So here we are going to use the concept of perpendicular bisector of a segment. Every point on a perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the endpoints. So if you draw the perpendicular bisector of TR, you will get the point P there. So one thing, as what we have done, we have taken PT equals to PR. So therefore PQ plus PT equals to 8.5. So PQ plus PT, that becomes QT equals to 8.5. Now we will construct the actual figure with the help of instruments. First of all, we will draw base QR, which is 4.2. This is what your base. We'll write the name immediately, 4.2. Now take the protector, keep the center of the protector on point Q, match the Q with the center, then baseline QR with 0 line, and now 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 0 match on this side. So start counting from this side, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 degree. We have marked there. Now we need the scale, join this, extend it. Now we have to draw QT, means segment QT. For that you have given the distance 8.5. So we'll take 8.5 on compass. First of all, we'll draw a segment QT, draw arc from Q. So where it intersect, that will be your T. Then join TR. Now you need to draw perpendicular bisector of RT. Since the segment RT is in inclined position, in slanting position, you can turn your page and make it just like an horizontal line. Now it will be an easier task for you if you take more than half of RT, draw arc on both sides of RT. Repeat the same procedure from R. Join these two with the help of scale. Now the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector and QT, that will called as a P. And join these two. So that's your triangle. Now we'll solve the second type, that is in exercise 4.2. you will be able to see the problems where the difference between two sides, and the base of a triangle is given. So here you are given uh, triangle XYZ we have to construct, whose base is YZ, which is of 7.4. Then angle XYZ is 45, and you are given XY minus XZ is 2.7. So XY is a side which is greater. So this side is greater. If this side is greater, then there is one procedure. If XZ is greater, then there is another method that we'll see in the next problem. In this case, here XY is greater. So we have to construct the triangle. So for that, first of all, we'll draw the base. Draw base 7.4 YZ. Now with the help of protractor, we'll draw an angle XYZ 45 degree. For that, you need to keep the center of this protractor on point Y, match the 0 line. Now 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degree, you need to mark there, and with the help of scale, you join this and extend further. Okay, now we have to take 2.7 on a compass. Take 2.7, so something like this. This is what your 2.7 distance. Then draw arc from Y on the angle which were drawn, making a 45 degree. So if this side XY is greater, then you need, when the XY is greater, you need to take the difference on this angle in upward direction. Keep in mind. So write any name, we'll say here as an A. Other than XYZ, use any alphabet, not an issue. Now draw AZ. So after drawing AZ, take more than half of AZ and draw arc from A. Repeat the same procedure from Z. Don't change the distance. And then join this. Extend it where it intersects the ray which you are drawn of making 45 degree with YZ. That point will call as an X. So join XZ. That is what your second triangle. XYZ is what your required triangle. Okay. Now we'll move on with the one more type from this exercise. 4.2, third one, where you have to construct a triangle. ABC such that angle ABC is 100 degree, base BC is 6 centimeter, and AC minus AB is what? 2.5. AC minus AB is 2.5. So now, in the previous problem, what we have done, if you have seen here, in this one, the xy is greater than xz, xy is greater than xz, then what we have done, we have taken this difference which is 2.7 in the upward direction. Now the difference we need to take it, in this case AC is greater than AB, so this side is greater than AB. So you might be thinking how we comes to know which side is greater. Here in this case AC is given, so we subtract the smaller one from the greater one, so AC is greater one. AC is greater than AB and the difference is 2.5. So now we have to construct this, and for that what we'll do, first draw the base, which is 6 centimeter, then use the protector, keep your protector on vertex B. Match the center line with the baseline with the BC there, and now 0 match on this side. We need to mark it at 100, so 100 is somewhere here. Start counting from on which side the 0 is matched. The 0 is matched on this side, so 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So at 100 you mark there and draw the ray. Okay, now since in the previous case we have seen in the previous case, if AB is greater than AC, then what to do? Now here AC is greater than AB, so for that what you have to do, you need to extend this line, in downward direction. So that means you have to draw an angle linear pair with the angle ABC there. So this we are extended, so this extended in such a way that this angle will form a linear pair. So something like this, you will get a figure. Now 2.5 we have to take it on a compass. 0, this is what you are D. So joint CD there, joint CD. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of CD there. So for that, take more than half of CD, draw arc on both sides, draw arc from C, repeat the same procedure, don't change the distance, draw arc from D also. So join this, extend it. Now we need to extend this line until the perpendicular bisector that will meet the angle which we are drawn, making an angle 100 degree. So here it somewhere it intersect, so that point will called as an, see here it this point will called as an A. So join A and C with the help of scale. So this is what your required triangle is. Hope so you have understood. Now we'll move on with the last type of this chapter, that is to construct a triangle if sum of all the three sides and base angles are given to you. So this you will get in exercise 4.3. So if you'll just see the problem there, triangle PQR, first of all we'll draw the rough figure. PQR, in that one you are given this angle PQR as 70, PRQ as 80. We are given that PQ plus QR plus PR is equals to 9.5. So in this case not a single side is given to you. So until and unless we will know the base, we'll not able to construct the figure. So for that we'll do some small construction. So here extend the base QR on both the side. Take a point A such that AQ equals to PQ. AQ equals to PQ and PR equals to RB. PR equals to RB. So put here PQ, that is as an AQ, then QR, and this QR will be as it is. PR will replace by RB, and that is equals to 9.5. So if we will follow this AQ plus QR plus RB, so sum of these three side is nothing but AB, which is 9.5. Then we join this AP and PB. So you'll get a triangle whose base is AB. Now we need to find out these base angles, that is PAB as well as PBA. For this we will use the exterior angle of a triangle. So angle PQR is an exterior angle. PQR is an exterior angle. So this one is equals to QAP plus APQ. So both these angles are equal by isosceles triangle. These two angles are equal. So we can say that 70 equals to angle. This APQAP will replace by APQ as it is. So 2 times angle APQ is equals to 70. APQ is equals to 35. So this angle you will get as a 35. So if you have seen here it is 70, half of this one is 35. Similarly we can get, if it is 80 here, so half of it is 40. So we'll construct the triangle here now. We need, first of all, we need to draw the base, which is of 9.5. Draw a base of 9.5 centimeter. Then give the name A and B. Use the protractor. Now here it is vertex A. Match the 0 line, 0, 10, 20, 30, 35 degree. First of all, do one thing, means draw those angles one by one. Some students that mark those angles here, means 35 and 40 simultaneously, and then while joining they join different one, the figure becomes a wrong one. So we have shown you here like this, you draw one by one, so there will be no confusion. Now the 0 match on this side, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 degree. At 40 degree you need to mark the point, and then so you will get a triangle APB. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisectors of AP. So take more than half of AP, So take more than half of AP, draw arc from A, repeat the procedure from P, the point of intersection, you join this. So you will get a perpendicular bisector of AP. This is what your perpendicular bisector of AP. So this point will called as a Q. Okay. Repeat the same procedure from point B. Repeat the same procedure for the segment PB. Draw perpendicular bisector. Take some distance on a compass. Draw arc from B, and then same thing you do from P. So point of intersection you need to join, so you'll get a perpendicular bisector. So here is your point R. Join Q with P and R with P. The required triangle PQR will be like this. Hope so everyone understood. Thank you.